Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And last night I created this one, and this morning I created this one. Maybe better, maybe not. I still like this one, but I just thought I'd show these gentlemen another option. So I'm going to take a 2 point line, and I'm basically creating a well to fill with the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to grab the freehand tool, which I very seldom ever use, and I'm going to go from like right there, maybe even go up into there and down across there. I can go way past the line because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to nudge that over, and then left click, right click. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the inside with square corners 2 times at 0.2. I don't need to break it apart because I'm just going to use the Smart Fill. So I'm going to take my 2 new lines away, and I'm just going to Smart Fill that inner one. I am going to left click, right click, and you can't really use this. Well, you could, but if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, this is the only thing going to be holding it up. This other piece is going to fall out. So we have to remedy that, but it's very easily done. A couple of different ways. We could take a 2 point line and like just swipe right through there and swipe right through there. Use the Smart Fill again and see I got that. I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to delete everything I just put in there. And then I can nudge this back, left click, right click. And, you could change a lot. I could have made this line here a jagged line too, and added some nodes and, made it look different and actually maybe even, grab them all and right click and turn them into a line. And because these are kind of more, I wouldn't do that. But because you can add nodes now, and since everything's a line, just do that. I like them back to a curve, so let's go back. Now, when you're doing something like this, see stuff like that and delete it. Then, you can do anything to this. We could take the shape tool and bring these out further. You only want to grab a couple at a time. And, you could add to this, and then you could still, I don't like that being so jagged or so clean, something like that. And then we could still use the fur patterns we had from last night and, just stick them in there. They almost fit in there perfectly. You just don't want them to be touching because you've got very little metal touching, holding this thing up. So you wouldn't really want to do that. And then when you look at it with the Smart Fill tool, that's what it's going to look like. Of course, I would change this up quite a bit. Just another option. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.